Let's take a look at this example. Probably many of you saw already different ways of writing SOP, sum of the products, which has to be simplified by the Karnaugh map. This is one of them. This is nothing else, just summation sign, which is going to represent my SOP, and BA is telling me that B is the most significant bit and A is the least significant bit. 2 is telling me that I'm supposed to place 1 in cell number 2, and 3 is telling me that I'm supposed to put 1 in cell number 3. Next, I can simplify this expression. I have 2 1s. I can make the one group. I'm supposed to check what I have on the left side of this row, and I have simply B. And at the top of these 2 columns, I have complements. We said that we will ignore complements if they are at 2 different columns. So my answer is B. And if you want to implement B, B is nothing else, just the point, which is labeled B. These are the solutions to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We have SOP again, sum of the product, and the B is the most significant bit and A is the least significant bit. And I have 1 in cell number 1 and I have 1 in cell number 3. We have 2 1s. We can group them because they are placed vertically and they are placed in 2 rows and 1 column. First, let's take a look. What do we have at the side of these 2 rows? We have complements. We said anytime we have complements at the side of 2 rows, we ignore them and we will copy down A, which is at the top of this group. So I'm going to write this is equal A. If you want to implement it, it's nothing else, just point A on the diagram. These are the solutions to my problem.